So this is available. This is sold. Then so here now like 3 or 4 years. 3 are going to be there. All the clouds my tank is here. All this one is sold. This is sold. This is available. So this is available. Come and pick up your 35 million naira. See the list right there on your screen. Here, 35 million naira. Come and take it.
Right here is the visitor's toilet. So these are 4-bedroom terrace duplexes right here in the Independence Layout Phase 2 for sale. Aside from the chair, the TV, the ACs, the inverters, washing machine, water dispenser, they are all complimentary. They come with the house. There's a room here. This is room number 1. See all the equipment they come with. All these are for you. That's an inverter with about 8 batteries, so you have enough power. There's a kitchen here, quite spacey as well, beautiful slab, comes with a gas cooker. It comes with the fridge as well. So all you have to do is pay, bring your bag and move in, and this is just 35 million naira. Let's go upstairs. See, upstairs there are 3 rooms. There are 3 rooms upstairs, including the master bedroom. So it's all in suites. There's water here, there's security, 24/7 power, compound.
So it's just a few available here right now. There are 24 units here, and in that 24 units, more than half of it is sold. All right. So call me now. Call me on the number on your screen, so you can pick your own unit. You can use this for shortlets, for Airbnb. You can even use it for your own home. Right. 35 million Independence Layout Phase 2, just near the road itself. So give me a call today, and I'll bring it for a free inspection.